Ever wondered how to take full control of your crypto assets, moving them from a centralized exchange like Coinbase to a self-custodial wallet such as Bifrost? If you've been using Coinbase to buy and hold your cryptocurrencies, you're likely enjoying its user-friendly interface and security features. However, for those looking to truly own their digital assets, a self-custodial wallet is the next logical step. Bifrost Wallet, known for its support of various networks, especially Flare and Songbird, offers you just that, complete sovereignty over your private keys. This isn't just about moving numbers around, it's about shifting from an IOU system on an exchange to direct, on-chain ownership. While Coinbase is fantastic for onboarding new users and making purchases easy, holding your crypto there means you're trusting the exchange with your private keys. With a wallet like Bifrost, you become your own bank. This tutorial will walk you through the precise steps to make this transition smoothly and securely. We'll cover everything from finding your Bifrost wallet address to executing the withdrawal on Coinbase, ensuring your valuable assets arrive safely. The process, while straightforward, requires attention to detail. Sending crypto to the wrong address or on an unsupported network can result in permanent loss, a mistake no one wants to make. So, let's dive into the practical steps to transfer your crypto from Coinbase to your Bifrost wallet. First things first, you need to get your receiving address from your Bifrost wallet. Open your Bifrost wallet application on your mobile device. Look for a receive or deposit option. This is typically represented by an arrow pointing inwards or a plus sign. Once you tap on it, you'll see a list of supported cryptocurrencies. It's crucial here to select the exact cryptocurrency you intend to transfer from Coinbase. For example, if you're sending Flare, FLR, make sure you select FLR in Bifrost. The wallet will then display your unique receiving address, usually as a string of alphanumeric characters and often a QR code. Copy this address carefully. Double-check that you're on the correct network for the asset you're sending. For instance, if you're sending ETH, ensure it's on the Ethereum network. Now, head over to your Coinbase account, either on the web or the mobile app. Log in and navigate to your portfolio or assets section. Find the cryptocurrency you want to send. Let's say you're sending some Ethereum. Select ETH, and then look for the send or withdraw option. This is usually represented by an arrow pointing outwards. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. This is where you paste the Bifrost wallet address you just copied. Be extremely careful here. It's highly recommended to double-check the first few and last few characters of the address to ensure it matches exactly. Some platforms also allow you to scan a QR code if you have your Bifrost wallet open on another device. Next, you'll need to specify the amount of crypto you wish to transfer. You can enter the amount in cryptocurrency units or in fiat currency, and Coinbase will convert it. Review all the transaction details, the amount, the receiving address, and importantly, the network. Coinbase will often suggest the correct network, but for certain assets supported on multiple chains, you'll need to confirm that the network selected on Coinbase matches the network you chose in Bifrost. For example, sending ERC20 tokens from Coinbase to a non-ERC20 address on Bifrost will result in lost funds. Take a moment to verify everything. You'll also see an estimated network fee. Once you're confident that all the details are correct, proceed with confirming the transaction. Coinbase will likely require you to complete a two-step verification process for security. After successful verification, your transfer will be initiated. Keep in mind that blockchain transactions aren't always instant. The time it takes for your crypto to appear in your Bifrost wallet depends on network congestion and the specific cryptocurrency. You can usually track the transaction status on Coinbase or by pasting the transaction ID, TXID, into a blockchain explorer for that particular asset. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your crypto will appear in your Bifrost wallet. Congratulations, you've successfully transferred your assets from a centralized exchange to your self-custodial wallet, gaining true ownership and control. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.